Hi everybody, Louise here. So it's actually gone midnight here in the UK, but I thought I would do a Facebook Live before I go to bed. As always, I'm here to share value. So I just thought I would give you some helpful tips that you can take forward into this week. I'm absolutely frozen. I've got my heating on and it's so cold. So hence like the big body warmer. So it's obviously very late, so I don't know what time zones, I don't know who's going to be watching me live, but the rerun is obviously going to be on my Facebook profile anyway, so I may as well just wait literally just a few more seconds for some more people to get on, and then I will make a start. So as always, if you're watching me, please let me know that you're there. Give me a hi, hello. Let me know who's watching, let me know where you're watching from, which country, but please do say hello. I always like to know who's watching me. The more I see people comment, the more I think that you're enjoying my content. It encourages me to do more videos, where I think if I'm taking all this time out to try and help people, and people can't even say thank you, or they can't even say hello, but yet they're watching me, then it makes me feel like there's no point in me actually doing them all the time. So the least I think people can do is, not just for my videos, but any videos that you watch on Facebook, show your gratitude and thank people for doing them, because remember, they're assisting you in changing your life and your business for free. They may be in a completely different industry, different niche, different market, but if you can take a tiny piece of value away from somebody's video, then you should be grateful to that person because it's cost you zero. So let people know that you're there. Don't just be like a secret stalker watching the same people all the time and think, well, I'm not going to comment, I'm not going to support them. Because deep down inside you might be a little bit jealous, but you're hoping to learn from them, but you're too bitter to actually say thank you or show a bit of gratitude. And I know there's plenty of people out there, and I know there's people watching me that are like that, but I don't dwell on the negatives because they're not going to be affecting how much money I'm earning. They don't affect my day-to-day routine. But it helps people to show that you're supportive. So any single video that you watch on Facebook, always make sure that you pass a comment. Always pass something positive. And if you've listened to something that you've really connected with and you've appreciated, then leave a comment in the comment box, because it's nice for the person doing the video to go back in and read them and think, oh, people really did enjoy my video, or they got value from that. I'll then do more videos on that subject because people really enjoyed it. So tonight, I just wanted to just do a really quick video to talk about being direct. Now, I get people messaging me, just bear with me 1 second, Gizmo couldn't be making any more noise. Rubbing his face against the carrier bag, making loads of noise. So what I want to talk tonight about is being direct. I get people messaging me all the time, and they come in with such a softly approach that they're making general chit chat, and straight away I'm just mentally bored. It's like one word answers, asking me like about, you know, like the weather, and I'm just like, God, just get to the goddamn chase, be direct. The thing is if you're not upfront and direct, you lose people mentally. And once you've lost them mentally, you're never going to close them in that message. People are short of time, people's attention spans are short, a lot of people are stressed, they're tired, they've got children, they're overworked, they're underpaid. You have to be fast when you talk to people. You have to cut the bullshit out, get straight to the point. People aren't going to think you're pitching. But if you're leading from a value point when you're talking to people, get that value out literally like bam, within seconds of talking to them. If you start just softly going in and, hi, how are you today? And hope you've done this and hope you've done that. And how are the children? Has the weather been nice? It's just the same boring stuff. If somebody's reaching out to you in your inbox, straight away I always go, hi, how can I assist you? How can I help? And some people go, I don't need any help, I'm just connecting with you. Then you know straight away you're not going to be talking about an opportunity and you're literally just connecting. But if somebody's inboxed you because they want to find out about your business, They've already made that step. They've reached out to you about your business. So therefore, get straight in with the business. You want to be asking questions straight away. What is it you're looking for? Do you have a budget of what you can spend? How much are you looking to earn per month? How many hours are you able to work? Get straight in with those questions, because then you get the ball rolling, but you're keeping it all on topic, all on subject. The quicker you can get them to open up about what they're looking for, you've already got them interested, because they may only have 5 minutes to talk to you. If you've wasted 5 minutes asking them about all the small talk, they're going to say, oh, I'll catch up with you later. They've gone. You've potentially lost a sale and lost a lead because they may be attracted by somebody else's post in half an hour when they come back onto Facebook. So while you've got them in your inbox, you genuinely want to be helping change people's lives. And the better you get with your skill set, the shorter amount of time you'll need to speak to somebody to impact their life. So write the questions down of what you want to be asking people. You want to be finding out, do they want to replace their full-time job with what you do? Are they looking at an opportunity as just a sideline? Are they already in the industry? Do they have experience already? Are they looking for multiple income streams? You know, you don't want people to be putting all their eggs in one basket, you know, leaving their full-time job and starting out this with you with no experience, because they're not going to be an overnight success. I feel the more direct you are with people, the better the results you will get. Now, I joined a franchise 26 days ago. I've already made $30,000 in sales in 26 days. And I've only been in the industry now going into my 8th month. I'm using just free Facebook strategies to get those sales. They've all come from Facebook. They've all come through my profile. So when I do these videos, I can speak from experience because I've got the results to back up this value that I'm giving to everybody. And it's because I'm direct with my approach. They're all inboxing me, but then I'm direct, I'm straight to the point. I need to find out if they've got money to spend, because if they haven't, there's no point in me waffling on about a franchise at $3,000 to join if they've only got $100 to spend. There's no point in me going on and on and on and on about it. So you need to find out. Don't be frightened of asking somebody how much money they've got to start a business. Because if they're not willing to tell you how much money they've got to join a business, then they're not actually serious about joining a business. You know, if somebody went into the bank for a loan and the bank manager said, well, how much do you want to borrow? They'd say, wouldn't they? They won't go, oh, well, you know, well, how much would you lend me? They'd say, well, I want 10K, I want 5K, I want 3K. You're helping them, remember. You don't need them. They need you. So don't think about them as a sale. Think about how can I impact their life. And today, not in 2 or 3 weeks' time. If they've inboxed me, I want to impact their life today. I want to get them up and running today. And if for any reason they don't have the money today, at least they're going to get off that conversation and know what they need to start. So when you're speaking to people about your business, just think, am I actually being direct enough? Am I really leading with the benefits? Am I really giving them the vision? So when they come off that message, they know exactly what they need to get started. Because I think the people on Facebook that are not getting the results, I think it's because you're just not being direct enough. You can't start saying how much money somebody's going to earn, because nobody can guarantee that. But what you can be clear about is how much commission per sale they're going to make. And then you can go back with your own results and say, well, this week I made this, or this week I made that, because you're genuinely talking about your own story again. You're able to leverage other people in the business if it's a genuine income that they've earned. But you're not leading with the money, you're leading with your own story, and you're connecting me back to the business model, which is then connecting the business model back to them. So you're connecting you and the person in your inbox, and you're talking about your own personal journey of how it's impacted me, but you're making the conversation all about them and making sure that they're aware of what you can do to help them. Because if you just go, oh, I'm earning this, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, they're going to think, well, I'm not at Sarah Louise's level yet, I'm not Sarah Louise. And you're going to make them feel intimidated by them thinking, well, I'm not at that stage, so I'm not going to get those results. So don't hype up your results so much that you're going to put a newbie off. You have to make them aware that everybody starts off at the bottom and has to work the way up. But if you have done well in a business and you have had results, and then your team members have had results, then you need to share that, but you need to get the point across by being as direct as possible. And that's why when I do these Facebook Lives, I just get straight in there. You know, I'm not talking all the time, chit-chat about all of the comments, because it's, to me, it's distracting. I'm here to impact people in a positive way. And when you do your Facebook Lives and when you do your posts, just cut out all the bullshit, all the fluff, and literally get to the point and think, when I do a Facebook post, how can I get into somebody's mind? How can I make them read that in a few short words and really get to the point? If you start writing loads and 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 have these really long posts, a lot of people will get so far down and think, oh, they're telling me the whole life story, and they don't have time to read it all. So you might have had a really awesome bit at the bottom, but people aren't even getting that far down. So remember that the attention span of an adult is now 8 seconds. That's not very long. How can you impact somebody on Facebook within 8 seconds? They're not going to get very far down your profile in 8 seconds to be blown away by you. So just make sure that you are being direct in your approach. Not pitchy, not salesy, but you're getting to the point of what you can do to impact other people's lives. And I can assure you that if you're not doing it already, and you start doing it from tomorrow, from Monday, I can assure you that you'll start to get better results in your business. So I hope that there's been some helpful tips that you can take away in your business. And I look forward to speaking with the ones that are ready to take action. By all means, inbox me. And if you're not interested to join the business, but you do get value from my Facebook page, then by all means, please do keep commenting, because I take the time to go back into every single one that comments, and I go back in and follow every single one of you, because I appreciate every follower, every Facebook friend that's on my account, because you guys and girls are enabling me to live the lifestyle and the whole package of what I've desired for many, many years. So I'm very, very grateful for every single one of you that is enabling me to do that. So thanks very much for your time. Have a great week. Speak to you later. Bye.